Step 1. Tap your ConnectCard to the orange target located to the right of the screen. Step 2. Your current ConnectCard cash balance and any active or pending passes will show on the screen. Then press Add Pass. Step 3. Touch either weekly or monthly pass. Step 4. Next, choose whether your commute requires a 1-zone or 2-zone pass. Step 5. Review your transaction carefully, then insert your cash or press Credit or Debit and swipe your card. Step 6. After payment is made, tap your ConnectCard to the orange target once again to complete your transaction. Step 7. Remember to take your receipt from the tray below. Step 8. When you board your bus or the T, simply tap your ConnectCard to the orange target on the fare box to pay your fare.